Local Motors provides locally relevant vehicle solutions all around the world. If there is a niche in the market, then Local Motors is going to be the company that develops a vehicle solution, sets up a microfactory, and provides that vehicle.
3D printing helps us by reducing supply chain. If we are able to locally manufacture different components, we don't have to have a supply chain. For tooling, you're able to reduce the cost up to 50% and the time up to 90%. And all of a sudden, our model of local relevant solutions is much more feasible.
We've been using the new Replicator Plus recently, and so far it's been a great set and forget experience, really operating like a shop machine. We really didn't have the time to wait around very long for the parts that we needed. We wanted to set the making of them going and then forget about them while we worked on other things.
Olli is a cognitive self-driving vehicle. What we envision is people being able to park a mile or two away, hailing an Olli to come pick them up by using their smartphone, and Olli takes them wherever they need downtown.
All our interior components are vacuum formed using 3D printed tools. And compared to having those done out of house, we really saved a lot of time and money doing that.
Some of the initiatives that we have going on right now to finalize the design are leveraging MakerBot, both on the production side and also the prototyping side.
Personally, I like the tough PLA a lot because that allowed us to tap into it and thread directly into the part. Then we can mount this metallic component to it. In the time it would have taken me to order and get a gear shipped here, we had already finished the entire experiment. Whereas if this had been a steel gear, it would have been another few $100s and another week of waiting for parts.
Not only are we trying to shift designs, not only are we trying to create prototypes fast, but learning is a huge component of what we do. If the software was too difficult, if the machine itself took too much upkeep, we'd be going back to the water jet, you know?
I can't really see a future of Local Motors where they're not using 3D printing. It is the key that unlocks really how we can succeed as a company with low volume and high design flexibility.